This is a new Prestige combo drop deck trailer available from Midco Sales. It measures 48 feet long and has an aluminum deck with nailer strips. Adding to the versatility of this trailer are the flush-mounted pop-up ramps. These allow for easily loading equipment onto the top deck. The Prestige Combo Drop Deck has a steel frame with aluminum cross members and knee braces. This trailer has air ride suspension and spread tandem axles. The Michelin tires are mounted on polished aluminum wheels. A toolbox is installed on the driver's side. Sliding and fixed winches, chain pullouts, tie downs, and stake pockets provide plenty of cargo control options. Midco Sales is a Prestige trailer dealer. To learn more about this drop deck or any Prestige trailer, visit midcosales.com.